Watcha? And my sister that? Who else could it be? But look how you glow now, you find new body. So you know that, eh? Or you guess? My girl, only new body gave them glow there, you know, so they didn't know you have new man. But who could have named so? Yes, my sister. I say you should have gone from a long time. Debbie, I want to see the boy. You sexy or fuck. Really? So when me I gonna meet him? No time soon. I want to look a private thing between me and him. Alright, man, as long as you enjoy it. Stop by that, don't be here. Look how long I wait. Lady, you know, sister, me I talk to my sister. You and me both know say you're not gonna wait. So just sit down and wait, alright? Anyway, Shireen, make sure you hold on on a boy there, you know. Of course.
So what's going on with you?
Nothing.
You just seem really quiet. How's the baby?
Baby, alright.
Okay, so you tell Daddy say you're pregnant?
Yeah, man, me tell him.
Alright, so him say.
Him obviously, him always wanted a girl baby, so hopefully the baby a girl.
It's still early in October, you know, so you can get rid of the problem.
But now dash my belly, alright? So you can stop talk about it.
This don't make no sense to me. You live in a man house, you breed him, him wife live there, and this isn't an issue. How we are try fool Octavia?
Sound to me like say you bad mind.
Excuse me?
You vex through me pregnant and me have man and you lock up in another local quad you a rotten way.
Me rather rotten way than be the biggest yammed in the blood clot garden, idiot girl.
Please make this make sense to me. You're okay with our daughter marrying one old man who is half her age and he's already married? I'ma tell you already, say woman, them a get divorced. He told you this? Why you always have to fight me for woman? I don't want my daughter marrying some old man for Christ's sakes. He knew her since she was a little girl. How you don't find this disturbing? She 18 now. She can do whatever she want to do. She can marry him, alright? But this is so out of nowhere. I don't understand any of this. Please don't tell me say this man has been sleeping with our daughter all along and you know about it. Can't deal with this now, you stress me out. So you alright or you so quiet? Anthony, why nobody you have so many picnic? Well, me make them, so me take care of them. Some of them me not even meet cause their mother no want deal with me. So you like being a father? Yeah man, so many little personalities. Them all just so different but you love them either way. Oh, okay. Why you ask me that? You want my baby? You must seem mad. You know, Octavia, me dey surprised when you come look for me the other night. Don't talk about that. No man, may I be real with you. Ever since primary school me always say like you, but I didn't nervous to tell you, so I just play it off. Cause you did always so headstrong. All of the man them they want you, but you never want nobody. Make me want you even more. If you didn't like me, why you breed Annie, mother? Cause all those years me I wait for you. And you never want me, so I'ma just leave you alone. But the time when you did kiss me upon the play field, me nah lie, that was the nicest kiss me ever get. Anthony, just shut up and stop chat crap. You know, send me that thing both slow down some things. Me I got the doctor a couple weeks, I'ma find out some me have chlamydia. So now the third time now you get that. Yeah, but this time I realize that I live some reckless life. I want to settle down a little bit. And Annie live with me now, so I don't want to bring no foolishness around her, you know? I don't want she think the lifestyle is normal. You know, this is the first time in a long while I see you move like you have some common sense. Me you want to take some family picture and print them. Me don't wonder if you could have helped me out. Sure, no problem. I need to talk to you. How come I can't hear from you? Oh no. Yo, what you even not do ya? What you mean what me and do ya? You take my virginity and then you stop calling me. Oh, you for move so? Yeah, oh, easy with the nice, man. Oh, I'm tear. My baby mother house you there right now, you know. Easy with the nice. But you know what to me say about baby mother? Yo, and everything, man, I have to tell you, and how I'm tell little girl. Yo, best you cut and go on your yard, you know, man, for your create excitement. Make sure you not come back over here, you know, man. Let me see your face back over here. Watch me and you. Sure, please tell me it's a joke. Please tell me say you're not really married this man. Mommy, I love him, alright? Why you can't just get over it? Sherry, he's married. And you know the woman. Don't you feel bad about it? Feel bad about what, mommy? He doesn't love her anymore. That's why he's going to marry me. Sherry, please don't tell me you've been sleeping with this man all these years. Mommy, I'm 18 now, and I can do as I please, and daddy have proof of it, so why can't you? Me and your father have two different views upon life, and me as a woman and as a mother, I'm telling you, you're making a big mistake. Mommy, Daddy, understand me. He doesn't talk about church all the time. He doesn't force me to read Bible scriptures. He loves me for me, unlike you. Remember this, little girl. You will never live a happy life living off of somebody else's misery. I don't care what you want to say. Yo, you. What the hell you do, ya? Yo, mom didn't tell you? I'm staying here for a little while. So you leave all the way from Canada to come stay with me at Jamaica. Well, mom says I'm too ungrateful. I need to learn the hard way of life. So I'm gonna stay at this place, I guess. No, 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 you can't stay here, so why them never leave your country? Yo, is that my little niece? What's up, Annie? Man, you got so big. Look at you. How old are you now? Man, 14. What? You're only 14? Man, you look older than 14. You look like you're about 16. So how long you stay here for Uncle Andy? Me I want to show you around the place to make you meet all of my little friend them. You don't like for that? Yo, it depends. Do you have any friends over 18? Yo, you, watch where you talk to my daughter, no, man. Yo, what's wrong with you, bro? Why you always sweating me? Come on, man. You need to chill a little bit. You're too grumpy. You getting old? Yo, you, if you ever stay here, you know, you have to listen to everything I'm gonna tell you, you know. Ah, man. Bro, you can't be doing that, man. You sound just like mom. I didn't come down here for all that shit. Well, you can pack up your suitcase and go on back to Canada then. Yo, man, why you always wilding now? What? Yo, I don't know what your problem is. My problem is you're not gonna follow my rules. You can't turn you. Alright, I'll follow your rules. Alright, I just wanna know what your work. Alright, thanks. Me talk to you later.